In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk import invoices into Xero. If you need to create dozens of invoices at once, Xero's import tool can save hours. We'll move through the built-in template, add your invoice data, and bring it into Xero in just a few clicks. Start in Xero and open the sales area. This is where all your customer billing lives. From there, go to Invoices to see your invoice list. At the top of this page, choose Import. That opens the Invoice Import screen. First, download Xero's Invoices template file. It's a CSV designed with the exact columns Xero expects, so you won't need to map fields. Save a local copy and keep the column headers exactly as they are. Now open the file and copy your invoice data into the template. A few tips as you paste. Make sure contact names match the names you already use in Xero. Use unique invoice numbers and enter dates in the format your Xero organization uses. Quantities and unit amounts should be plain numbers, no currency symbols. Choose valid account codes and tax types that exist in your Xero chart of accounts. If an invoice has multiple line items, repeat the invoice number on separate rows, one row per line. Remove any blank rows at the bottom and avoid formulas. Convert them to values. When you're done, save the file as CSV, ideally UTF-8, and close it before uploading. Back on the import screen, click Browse and select the CSV you just saved. Double check you picked the right file, then choose Import. Xero will process the file and validate the data. If something doesn't look right, like an unknown contact, an invalid account code, or a date format issue, you'll see an error message. Simply reopen your CSV, fix the affected rows, save, and run the import again. Warnings can often be resolved by reviewing the related invoice after import. When the import completes successfully, your invoices will appear in your invoice list, ready for review, and the next stage of your billing workflow. Take a moment to spot check a few entries to confirm amounts, tax, and due dates look correct. That's the entire process. Sales, invoices, import, download the template, copy your data in, browse to upload and import. With a clean CSV and these checks, bulk invoicing in Xero becomes fast, accurate, and repeatable. Thanks for watching and happy importing.